Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of built-up UWeekly settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you click on built-up. Then you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.